Hi, this is Sarah with Sarah Bryce Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your PDF link on your website. So you'll log into your WIX website using your username and password, and you'll see an image of your website here. And you're going to see a choice there, select site or edit site. So you're going to go to the edit site, click on that. So you wanted to be able to change your information for the contractors. So you're going to actually go to over here on this side here. This shows your pages, and you click on that, and you're going to go to the contractor specs page. Click on that. So you're going to come over here, click on the text box, click edit text, and then you're going to highlight the link that you want to change. And you'll see that it's already highlighted because there was a link already set up. But if you want to change it, you just click it again, and it'll pop up, it'll come up, and it's still that you want to connect it to a document, but you want to change the document. So you'll choose the file. So it's going to take you to your site files, and I made a PDF folder. And so you will find the PDF that you want to connect it to. And if it's not in here, you upload media and drag and drop it in. And then you select the correct file, add to page, done, and then publish. And that's how you change your PDF.